guys, I'm Chris Wilcher. You are looking at the 2019 Toyota Rav4 LE. This is an all-new redesigned body, so today we're going to look at what's new on it, and we're also going to take it for a test drive. Right now, let's go. And up right there. Okay, really excited about all the new just design inside and out. From the Apple CarPlay to the brake hold function being on the new Rav4, the road sign assist, the lane tracing assist, it's all there. Right now we're gonna just take it for a drive and see how it handles. We're gonna test out the performance on the new 19 Rav4. Let's do this. I can feel, like right now I can feel the steering wheel keeping me in line with I guess the car in front of me, and this is crazy. It's going, we're turning right now. This is incredible. This is so awesome. It's kind of scary too. Like, I can look at you right now and I'm seriously, look, I'm not kidding. It makes you put your hands on the steering wheel. So right now, we're gonna see how long it takes till I have to put my hands on the steering wheel. I mean, it's raining outside. Oh, hold steering wheel. This lane tracing assist thing, I can't get over it. It's amazing. Also, it's got a road sign assist. The speed limit sign is in red. Around it, highlighted around it. Basically it's saying, hey, you're going over the speed limit. Keep it in mind, this is just the LE model, the base model. When it comes to performance this year, the 2019 Rav4 LE delivers 203 horsepower with 184 pounds of torque with a 2.5 liter four-cylinder dual VVTi, dual overhead cam, four-cylinder engine, and a direct shift 8-speed automatic transmission. When it comes to safety, the Rav4 comes standard with Toyota Safety Sense, the 5-star safety system, and the all-new TSS 2.0 with lane trace assist and road sign assist. The 2019 Rav4 comes standard with LED headlights and daytime running lights. It's also on the TNGA platform, giving it a wider and stronger body with enhanced ride comfort, handling, and performance. Oh, and you'll also notice the dual chrome exhaust tips in the rear, and on the top, the all-new black roof rail design. Okay, so I figured I was going to show you an overhead view here of the head unit. You'll notice that it has the map button. That is standard on the LE Rav4s, on all Rav4s for that matter, but this is a base model. This is a base model, and it's got your Apple Maps, your Google Maps, your Waze, whatever navigation app that you have on your phone pops up there. Got your Zoom, WhatsApp, Spotify. Everybody loves that. Your Audible, your audiobooks, podcasts, music that you have on your phone. It's basically, this is your iPhone right here. Now, if you have an Android, it's going to have Scout GPS with moving maps if you hit the map button. I can customize my home screen up. So right now I got my Apple CarPlay, got my Bluetooth and everything. So I can go back to Apple CarPlay and there it is. All right guys, so that does it. I hope you enjoyed this video on the all new 2019 Rav4 LE. If you have any questions, as always, leave a comment down below and I'll be sure to respond to you. Hit the subscribe button if you're loving these videos and hit the bell notification for the all new videos coming up soon. I'll see you guys next time.